Pakistan is an agriculture-centric economy which depends on imports for approximately 89% of its edible oil needs. Due to the high cost of imported edible oil and scarcity of quality oilseeds in the local market, many villagers had to resort to cheaper but unhealthful alternatives such as mustard oil. In line with the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Cooperation in Agriculture, Chinese company Wuhan Qingfang Hesheng Seed Corporation Limited and Pakistan's Avial Group signed a memorandum of understanding in 2022 to help Pakistan produce and harvest ample amounts of canola oilseeds. In Pakistan's eastern Bhakar district, farmers are increasing oilseed production through high-quality hybrid seeds, modern Chinese agricultural machinery, as well as customized efficient harvesting approaches.
2023到2024年，我们的杂交油菜面积扩大，在巴基斯坦的面积扩大了10倍。但是呢，由于这个当地的落后的收割技术，我们的面积进一步扩展受到了限制。我们根据巴基斯坦的现在这个情况就是定制了2款这个收割的模块，一种是那个一次性收割，一次性收割是等这个油菜完全黄熟之后一次性收割，这样的话这个收割损失可以降低在8%以内。这样的话就相当于农民的产量提高了20%到30%。同时我们还提供了第2种的这个收割模式，就是2段式收割。2段式收割就是先把这个油菜割倒，2到3天之后呢，再用这个剪食模块进行一个剪食，这样的话就是收割损失控制在5%以内。这样的话，对农民意味着就提高了30%左右的产量。